How do you deal with a stinking toilet? Do you spend hours cleaning it every day? Do you waste tons of money on cleaning products that just don't work for more than a couple of hours? Or do you use strong chemicals that contaminate the air you and your family breathe? No thanks. There is a better, cheaper, and healthier way to keep your toilet smelling fresh at all times. And all you'll need is a face mask and some soap. Take a face mask and cut one side off. Then place a biodegradable soap inside the mask and close it with the elastic you just cut out. Next, remove the lid from your toilet tank and dip the mask with the soap in the water. Strap it somewhere safe and just leave it to soak for a while until you notice the soap is getting mixed in with the water. Next, close the lid, wait a couple of minutes, and then flush. Immediately, you will see and smell the difference.